Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, you are going to learn how to download a video from Facebook into your gallery. When you access any video from your Facebook app, you can press on the three dots and you can save video. But this will not be saved to your gallery, but it will be saved into your Facebook account. But we can download this video into our gallery by pressing in the three dots button, then copying the link. Now you have to exit the Facebook app and then open any browser in your mobile device. For example, I open Chrome. Then you have to paste the link that you just copied. Now it will load in the browser version. All you have to do next is press on the URL, edit it, and where it says m.facebook, right beside m, type basic. So it's going to be mbasic.facebook.com. Press go. Now the URL will be loaded as a basic version, as an older version of the Facebook. Now from this you can download the video. Just press on the video that you want to download, then long press on the screen and press on download video. This will download the file and save it into your gallery. In this way you can download any video from the Facebook. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful and informative, don't forget to drop us a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.